got up last night.
I'm sitting.
And he's sitting at the fire, kind of stoking the fire, and the last embers all night, and the cocks are crowing in the morning, and he's thinking about his loved one, and who's separated from him. And one of the verses he says that the scholars say that love is a destructive and dreadful ailment, as we all know, of course. And in the last verse, he meets a fairy woman and asks her, is there any release from love? And she says, no. To end on a positive note, no.
And you know, there's, I'm not singling out anybody, but to a couple who just got engaged recently, friends of my son Manus, Stephanie and Ben, I think if they're here tonight anyway, this is for you.